And we're back. We got a Toyota Tundra for an exhaust replacement. Nothing too dramatic happening. We're just replacing it all. I'll have to build a new Y pipe for here, and we're just gonna cut it from the back of the cat back, replace, and then I got a bung. I got some bungs. I'll show you. Well, I guess they must be up inside of it. I'll grab them in a minute. I'll grab them in a minute. We do not need them right now. There's another look for this side. Not too, nothing too fancy. I'm just letting her drip off. Your boy don't like getting wet. Absolutely not. Okay, we'll get her cut off and drop down to the floor. We'll catch you back.